Hi lovelies, welcome back. First I would like to show you unboxing of few products for my winter skincare. All products are from Saeed Ghani. It includes cocoa body butter, lavender mud mask and Zafarni ubatan. I have used this ubatan, lavender mud mask and cocoa butter and they actually shows results and they are reasonable as well. And I finally get the matching jewelry along with my Bharat lengha. So here is a jewelry which suits me the best. After searching from ton of jewelry shops, I finally get the most appropriate jewelry set with my lengha. Then finally I get the most transforming tool, eyelashes curler. I have planned to wear Indian style nut along with my jewelry set. Some Nutella with butter croissant, pink bangles. Now it's time for more unboxing. I have got this product from Scoop, I think, and I have ordered this body scrub in cookie dough. They have also sent me this cute thank you card and this sweet cookie butter dough body scrub actually smells like a cookie dough. It is organic and it's work. In this vlog I am revealing my Bharat lengha. They did brilliant job and the lengha turned out so beautiful. Now it's time for food, so I have get the plate of 6 gold gappas and they are filling the traditional filling of potato and chickpea. Then he will top it with sweet and sour chutney, yogurt and mint chutney as well. For my wedding, I thought I should change my hair look, so I get these baby lights in caramel gold color from Fezzi Salon and they did an amazing job. My hair looks so gorgeous in all functions. Here you can see that I'm trying this lengha at home and it turned out so beautiful even without makeup. Later at that night we tried this sweet potato snack and it turned out so well. He topped it with chaat masala and sweet chutney and we have to pick this vlog with toothpick. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog and I will see you in my next one. Bye and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.